In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar 2025. This integration can streamline your task management across platforms in just a few simple steps, thanks to Zapier. So, let's dive right in and set up this connection in less than 5 minutes. First, you'll need a Zapier account, which is a fantastic platform for automating workflows between your favorite apps. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see a plus create button on your dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point for setting up a new automation, or Zap as they call it. After clicking Plus Create, you'll be taken to the page where you can manage all your Zaps. Look for the Zaps section next. Once you are there, the next crucial step is to set up a trigger. The trigger is what sets your Zap into motion. Click on the trigger option, and when the search bar appears, type in Microsoft To Do. This is where you specify what event in Microsoft To Do should initiate the action you want. Now on the right hand side of the screen, you'll see an option to choose a trigger event. Click on it, and among the options provided, select New Task. This means every time you create a new task in Microsoft To Do, a related action will be triggered in Google Calendar. Hit the Continue button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to select a specific list from Microsoft To Do. Clicking on the drop down under List will show you the available options. Choose Task from this list, as this is typically what you will be working with most frequently. Once selected, hit Continue again to move forward. Next, we'll focus on what action should happen in Google Calendar. Click on Action, and from the list of apps, choose Google Calendar. Again, this selection is crucial because it's the other half of your automation. After choosing Google Calendar, click on Action Event and select Create Detailed Event from the list of options available to you. This action will ensure all pertinent details from Microsoft To Do are transferred over to your calendar event. Once you've set that up, hit Continue. You will now see the fields where you need to fill in the required information for your calendar event. Take your time to ensure these fields are correctly filled to reflect the information you want to appear in Google Calendar. Afterward, hit Continue one more time. To make sure everything is working as expected, click on Test Step. This test will simulate the Zap to verify that everything is set up correctly and behaving as intended. If everything checks out, you'll see a success message. Finally, if your test is successful and the steps you've configured are accurate, go ahead and click Publish. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar using Zapier. This connection should help simplify your workflow, keeping your schedule and tasks seamlessly integrated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps boost your productivity.